Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a lucky cat, so let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the eyes. So we can come right here and start. Now that one circle in, we're going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another one. There, now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. Now there's big eyes in. Let's come back right here. We're going to spruce them up a little bit. I'm going to come about right here and just add a curve that comes down just to define the eyes a little bit more and make them a little bit more cat-like. So same thing over here. So it just kind of tapers down to add this part that pops out. Then from there, if you like, I'm going to come over here towards this side and just pop out a wing lash. So same thing here. There, so now with the eyes in, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then let's come in between where you draw a little nose. So right about here, draw a curve, round it off, and we're going to connect it right in the center. There. And then let's come down right here, straight line that comes down but then goes out with a curve, and same thing here. And cap it off, and at the bottom right here just lightly add a little curve for some definition. And there, so hopefully you like this cat's look. And then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw our dumpling shape for the head. So I'm going to start kind of like where the lashes are, really close to the lashes. I'll just give myself a point on each side, and then from there just helps me draw a big curve going up, say about this high, towards the center, about right there, and then we're going to bring it down all the way back. This is my usual dumpling shape. It's a little bit narrower at the top, and then we'll bring it down, but right here where the cheek area is, a little bit wider. Something like that. And hopefully you're using a pencil so you can make any adjustments, and come about right here, and we're just going to go ahead and bring it in towards the bottom, so underneath about right here, and we're going to flatten it out and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have this head in, let's go ahead and make it a cat. So let's come back to say about this area, and I'll just start at bottom right here, just easier for my hand. I'm going to go up, say about right there, round off the tip and bring it down for the ears. Then I'll draw a curve for details on the inside and follow my outside. So it's thicker right here and thinner right there. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to drag some points across. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it just helps me. So same thing, about right about there. Round off the tip and then bring it all the way back down to your point. And once again, inside and outside right here. Just follow your curve. There. And then from there, let's see here. Now, oh, I've almost forgot. Let's draw some whiskers. So I'm going to come right here into this space and just draw 3 whiskers lightly. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we can go ahead and draw the body. So let's come about right here, and I'm going to draw a curve and another curve right here for the collar. But before I finish this collar, I'm going to kind of bring this in a little bit. But then I'm going to stop right in the center of this area. I'm going to draw a big bell. So I'm going to come right here, cut off the collar area, and then about right there I'm going to go ahead and join it. So half of a circle, and then right here I'm just going to add a little ring. And complete my circle. But if you're using a pencil, we would just go ahead and draw a big circle first. There. Then I'm going to come right about here, just put in a dot and then a line to make it look like a bell, hopefully. And then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and join with a curve for my collar. And I'll just come in here really quickly, just draw some circles for some detail. From there, let's come back into this space. We're going to come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a curve coming down. And on this side, I'm going to have the hand coming down. So say about right here. I'm going to curve. And about right here, I'm going to curve a hand towards the center. And connect for a big paw. And you come in here and just draw a curve right there. Then let's bring this down a little bit more, about right here, because on this side we need to pop out a thigh. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve coming out. So this side would be the same thing. About right there, I'm going to pop out a curve for the thigh and bring it down. Just say about right there. Same thing on this side. Just want to match about the same level. And then from there, I'm going to stop because I know I'm going to pop out a foot right here. So before I do that, I'm going to come back into this area. I'm going to have this cat holding this plate, gold plate. So it's just kind of like a rounded off rectangle. So like a doggy tag here. Just going to angle this and bring it down to kind of where the feet would be, just approximate. And definitely turn your paper or your body to help you draw this angle. There, so just want to make sure these 2 lines are parallel. From there, let's go ahead and draw this back in. Now we can pop in the foot. So whatever space you have, I'm going to come right here. Draw a curve. There, and then 2 little lines. So same thing on this side. So about right here, you're going to pop out, curve. Just like the other side, and then whatever space you have left, you can just go ahead and connect it with a line. And then now for some more details, let's come back about right here and just going to draw a curve coming down for some detail, and I'll just connect this so it's just easier to color. Then from there, the most important thing is we need to draw this hand that's waving. So I'm going to come back to say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and then loop it up, and then come right here, draw 2 curves, and now come back right here and just connect everything there. So the hand hopefully looks like it's waving. And then for some more details, I'm going to draw these patterns right here. So curve, another curve, and on the knee area. Same thing here. Hopefully I have this correct. And same thing over here. So it just depends on how much detail you want to put. And last but not least, on this plate here, you could write the Japanese or Chinese characters, but I thought it would just be easier if I wrote lucky cat. So I'm just gonna write it at this angle. I'm gonna follow. So I'm gonna just write L U C K Y. And then cat. So lucky cat. I almost forgot how to spell lucky. That's why I got caught right there. I forgot I need another letter. Okay, so lucky cat, and then I'll just add a big heart right in the center for the bottom. But like I said, you can always try to write the Chinese characters if you like. But hopefully you love how that looks. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this lucky cat that's waving. I hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.